Hello and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday. Frigid Friday. What happened to the weather? It's like 40-something degrees outside. And it's like 11-something in the morning. Yes, I got a late start. I was up really late, not feeling well. Yeah. So, last night, Robin actually finished the dinner, the chicken divan, with the brown rice. She did a really very good job getting it together. I did all the prep for her. But she finished it. My wonderful wife did a great job. So tonight, I'm not cooking. At least not a, typical thing. Because Robin, surprise, surprise, is in Oakland until sometime middle evening. Yeah, she's there for work. So tonight will be leftovers or, something, pantry cooking, it'll be something. I'll find. I still have that wonderful soup, that chicken orzo, lemon. Still have that, and I got last night's leftovers. But what I really need from you, the members of CCK, is next week I'm going to be home alone. So I need some ideas to cook for myself. I have proteins. I'm definitely going to buy some veggies, some fresh veggies. Of course, I have the herb and spice library behind me. I've got stocks. Help me with some recipes, just simple stuff. I have rice. I can get potatoes. Yeah, let's have some fun with it. So help me out. And on Wednesday, I actually have a special guest coming in. So I'm going to be actually cooking for this person and her husband dinner, which she'll take home. I basically owe her a favor or two. So I'm going to cook her and her hubby dinner. I'm not going to divulge who it is till later or what the dish is. I already know what the dish is. So I need at least 4 nights of dinner ideas. So, on this frigid Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.